there's going to be a link to this. It's very inexpensive and it goes up to like 6 feet tall. And you see the lav mic there. I'm also going to plug in the lav mic. I will be featuring other more expensive devices later, but I'm starting out with this list because this is for my friends on a budget who keep saying, you know, I'll start my acting career when? I'll get that going when? I'll set up my self-tape when? The time is now, people. Right now, because it's on your heart. So you're never going to be more excited to do it than right now. And I'm going to teach you to be self-confident on camera. All right. So you're going to need some tools because they will help you. So you're going to get a tripod. You're going to get a lavalier mic. Get the kind that is appropriate for your phone. I'm still a Samsung user and I'm probably going to switch to iPhone at Christmas. All right. The next thing up is, see here, I painted a blue wall. I'm going to show you the color of it. I will also show you a backdrop, a pop-up that you can get. So this first video is all about setting up your self-tape space, okay? I'm showing you the behind the scenes, and then I'm going to come back and show you when it's set up. So this is one of my lights. Truth be told, I lost the front cover to it, okay? So I have a sheet on it. Why? Because mommy's on a budget. And because it deflects the light in a softer way if you put a sheet over it. So let's turn that on. See how that changes things. Okay, there you go. All right. I don't have my 3-point lighting correct yet because above me, that's a little dim. So let's raise that as well.
Okay, there you go. And that's still, whoa, see how bright I am? Too bright, way too bright, okay? Yeah, and it's probably not helping that this shiny is happening. Okay, so we're gonna fix this lighting and I'm gonna come back and show you what I did. Here we go. You would never want to turn in a self-tape like this. Do not turn in a self-tape like this, and do not post anything in your courses with you this washed out. All right, I'll be back.
Check the settings on your phone, people. I accidentally had mine turned up to lighten it. Yeah, big mistake. You wouldn't want to do that. Okay, I also took the smudgy away. So this is already looking better. I'm going to add the 3-point lighting. So 3-point lighting, you can read about it on YouTube or learn about it on YouTube, various places. SAG-AFTRA has a really great lesson on it on their channel. But I want to show you that I'm being lit from here. I'm also being lit from the window a little bit. I'm being lit from above. And then the third thing I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on a light to backlight me, and I'm going to point it at that white wall so it pops off of it. So this is almost done. Here we go. I'll be right back. Okay, so here's one of my lights. I just pulled it out because I wanted to show it to you. I won't shine it at you. Okay, I'll show it. Whoa, I did shine it at you. Sorry. This is very compact. I travel with it. I'm going to feature it in the links so you can get one. I got it as a set of 2, and let me turn it off so I can show you what it looks like. This is the true behind the scenes, my friends. Okay, I'm going to turn it off. Okay, it comes in a set of 2. Here we go. There, and it gets very, very small. The really cool thing is that it comes with all these little filters that you can put on top of it. So again, I apologize for the handheldness. Once I go put my makeup on, I will then put everything, I'll put the camera in the holder and I won't be making you dizzy. But this is part 1. This is the behind the scenes, setting up your space. Okay, what I was in front of earlier were curtains. Okay, so I have this option here. I'll go show you in the other room what used to be there because it's actually still in my living room. Just a second. These mirrors, you see the mirrors that are allowing you to see my messy kitchen? Yeah, those were removed from the office that is now my acting studio and office. Okay, we're back. So if you don't think you have space in your room, think, which room is used the least? Where can I put my office, my computer, and my self-tape things all in one place? And as a bonus, if you have a closet like this that you probably don't use quite as often as you think you need it, it's probably full of stuff, junk. Mine was, not to accuse you of being a junk hoarder. And again, my lighting has not been completely fixed yet. It will be in a second. But I want to show you what I do to bump this up for my YouTube channel. And pause. How cool is that? I wouldn't do this as an actor self-tape, but as a backdrop for my fellow mompreneurs or entrepreneurs or content creators who are on their YouTube channel a lot. my computer is behind this camera that I'm holding right now, which means that I can feature, oh look, I just showed you my dirty bathroom too. I can feature as much of this as I want. Pretty cool, right? And all I did was that little light that I told you that came as a set of 2. I have the blue filter on it and it's popped up to light. Okay, I think that's all I needed to show you for the behind the scenes stuff.